These bold colors and grids are the hallmark of artist Piet Mondrian. But the same artist, still known today for his instantly recognizable patterns, started out painting these.
The painting Broadway Boogie-Woogie by Piet Mondrian.
Where does the boogie-woogie come from?
The boogie-woogie is traditionally a blues. I think the coolest thing about a boogie-woogie is what the left hand does. That's the boogie part. The woogie part is the right hand and how it solos. What seems to be the left hand is all of the smaller squares that are, just continuing to wipe across the painting from left to right. The right hand is the larger pieces. It's a conversation left hand and right hand. It's a conversation between how do you perforate the white space? That's a C, the two blues are C, and then those two up there, boom, ding, boom, ding. I mean, this is a score. I feel like paintings like this and music that it documents also is a trail for me to realize how there's a way out. All of the good artists have shown us ways out, or ways forward, I'll say.
Piet Mondrian's work can sometimes be hard to appreciate. These shuffling colorful squares and these intersecting black lines make his paintings all blend together, as if each of them were unique, yet identical at the same time. But this particular style was only one step in Mondrian's quite linear artistic progression. He was born in 1872 in Amersfoort, Netherlands, and will start painting, just like many other Dutch artists, landscapes. Already then, he adopts unconventional techniques. In 1911, an art movement will heavily influence him. He discovers, through Picasso and Braque, Cubism, and will move to Paris to further his career. This will make Mondrian meet other Dutch artists such as Bart van der Lek and Theo van Doesburg. Together, they will create the De Stijl movement, in which Mondrian defines neoplasticism. This will be the birth of the Mondrian we know of today, with the colors and the geometry.